welcome back to Failure in Flint, where sometimes it does seem that it's water everywhere, but not a drop to drink.
And as this crisis unfolded, many questioned, how did this happen and who would let something like this happen?
Well, of course, the Michigan Attorney General's office launched an investigation back in last January. State and local officials have been charged, but as Defender Kevin Dietz explains, more charges are imminent.
Investigators say it's the largest criminal investigation in the history of the state of Michigan. Now, over a year in, 13 people have been charged. In Flint, mistakes were made. The water supply was poisoned with lead, and families paid a huge price. Exactly how big may not be known for decades.
We will proceed to deliver justice and hold those accountable who broke the law.
To find out who should be held criminally accountable, an investigative dream team was formed in January 2016, headed by Attorney General Bill Schuette, Special Prosecutor Todd Flood, and Special Investigator Andy Arena.
We will turn over every stone. We'll go down every rabbit hole.
Millions of dollars have been spent. Thousands of documents have been scrutinized. Nearly 100 witnesses have been questioned, and 13 people have been charged. The first charges were filed in April against those on the front lines at the Flint Water plant.
These charges are only the beginning, and there'll be more to come. That I can guarantee you.
Michael Glasgow, Stephen Bush, and Mike Prisby.
Mr. Prisby, do you have any comment? Did you tamper with evidence? Mr. Bush, do you have anything to say to the people of Flint? You must have something you want to say to the people of Flint. Did you tamper with evidence?
We pled not guilty to all of the counts.
Prisby and Bush pleaded not guilty and will fight it out at trial. Michael Glasgow did plead guilty to a misdemeanor charge in exchange for testifying against higher-ups. Investigators say they will climb the food chain as far as the evidence will take them. In July, 6 more workers are charged. The most notable, Lane Schechter Smith, who is the chief of the Michigan Office of Drinking Water and Municipal Assistance. Prosecutors accuse her of misconduct and neglect for allegedly misleading the public and concealing evidence that lead levels were rising in Flint's water supply.
We will protect the victims, the families and citizens of Flint, and we will hold each and every person who breaks the law will be held accountable.
Then in December, 4 bosses are hit with serious felonies. Former emergency managers Darnell Early and Gerald Ambrose, former Director of Public Works Howard Croft, and City Utilities Director Dorothy Johnson. Prosecutors alleging they conspired to push a contract through based on false pretenses.
Everybody knew, but nobody spoke up.
Tonight, the investigation continues, sources telling the defenders that more charges are coming, including what could be the most serious of all, involving the Legionella deaths of at least a dozen people. Of course, from the very beginning, all eyes have been on Governor Rick Snyder. Sources tell me that people in his office have been questioned and documents from his office have been subpoenaed. All the Attorney General will say is that they are following the evidence wherever it leads. Kevin Dietz, Defenders.
All right, Kevin, and we should mention we did reach out to Governor Snyder's office and request an interview for this program, but he declined.